I own both a for-profit company and a not-for-profit foundation. My company paid for website design services for our foundation. How do I record that in the books of both organizations? A fair question. So I'm going on the assumption here that the not-for-profit organization is not repaying the layout of funds that your for-profit organization paid to the website designer. As such, I would record this on the books of your for-profit company as a contribution. It's a charitable contribution to the not-for-profit organization. Now, there's a twist to this. If your for-profit company is getting publicity for this donation, then you can actually record it as a sponsorship expense. If your foundation is saying this website paid for by, or thank you to our sponsor, then it's a sponsorship expenditure and should be recorded as such as part of your marketing budget or your advertising budget on your financial statements. There may be an advantage to this if your for-profit organization is a pass-through entity, such as an S corporation or an LLC or an LLP or a PLLC, then charitable contributions may be more difficult to deduct on your income tax return. Depends on your personal situation. So those contributions are not going to be deducted per se by your company. They're going to show up on your personal return, on your 1040, and your Schedule A, your itemized deductions. And on that schedule, those deductions might be limited. They might not be, but it depends on your personal situation. Whereas if your company is getting publicity for these charitable contributions, it's really part of your sponsorship and marketing budget, and those will be deductible by your organization in full. On the books of your not-for-profit, what you really need is a journal entry. Okay, alert, I'm about to put on my accounting hat and spout some accounting jargon. You're going to debit your website expense, whether you call it professional fees or whether you call it the not-for-profit organization's marketing expenditure, or you have an account called website expense account, then you're going to credit sponsorship income. What this means is your financial statements will show the expense and they'll show the sponsorship income. I'm showing up high because income is high on the income statement or the profit and loss, and expenses are down at the bottom. So there's an income statement right here in midair. And a journal entry is a quick and easy place to do that. Don't forget to enter the name of the for-profit organization in the name field in that journal entry. So if you want to find out about your sponsorship income by company, you can run a separate report and do that.